अगर पश्चिम बंगाल की बात की जाए, there are 3 Lok Sabha constituencies and that falls on the northern part of the state of West Bengal where voting today is begun. And when it comes to the voting, for the areas, for the seats like Darjeeling, for Balurghat and for Raiganj that is taking place today, that will decide the electoral fate of 2 sitting BJP MPs, Raju Vista and Shukanta Majumdar, who are the key candidates in the second phase of elections. Let's break down as far as the seats are concerned. From Balurghat, state BJP President Shukanta Majumdar will also now take on TMC leader and State Minister Biplab Mitra, and this is going to be also another high-profile contest reserved for the SCs. Is said to be a stronghold of the Left Front's Revolutionary Socialist Party. Balurghat was taken by the TMC in 2014 and by the BJP in 2019. So very interesting contest there also to look out for.
Dr. Shukanta Majumdar with us. Now he is the sitting MP from Balurghat and he has been refilled once again this time. Let me go across to him and try to understand what's his sentiment. So, do you think the winning margin will further go up this time?
Obviously, this time we will cross 1 lakh margin. Previously, it was around 34,000 only. So, this time it will increase because last time I was merely a new competitor and at that time I did not have any record behind me. This time I have the record of 5 years of work. Relentlessly, I have done my work for the development of this constituency, and Modi ji has blessed this constituency with so many things. So I believe the people of this constituency will vote for Modi ji once again.
So you have done work in railway connectivity, expansion of the railway line, for example, the Shialda Balurghat Express. Do you think that these things will cost you a better margin this time?
Yes, I feel so because the people of this constituency has a special sentiment about the railways, and because in 2004 the railway reached to this part, because before partition it was one of the prominent place for railway communication, because Hilli was the one of the prominent station, and Darjeeling men used to run on that track only. But the thing is, after the partition, we actually that part of the railway that went to the Bangladesh, that is Pakistan, that erstwhile Pakistan, now Bangladesh. So the people have a separate sentiment for the railway, and people are very happy with the railway work I have done, our government has done.
So today is the second phase of the election. In the first phase, Cooch Behar was going to pose, and we have seen some minor incidents of violence. Do you think Balurghat doesn't have a history of violence as such, but do you think that today's polling will also be peaceful in Balurghat?
Mostly this is a peaceful district, but the thing is that the TMC candidate, the Minister Biplab Mitra, is known for his violence, and he has a team. He has 4 or 5 brothers. I don't know how many brothers he has, but all the brothers, they are actually involved in politics, and they maintain this kind of gundas in different part of the district, and that's why I have little bit doubt, and some incidents are coming also to us that this kind of incidents are happening. So that's why I have much more concern. I have to pay much more concentration in Gangarampur.
Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us. So that was BJP President Dr. Shukanta Majumdar in conversation with us, hopeful that the polling will be conducted peacefully and there will be no untoward incident today. In fact, he says that this time he is going to win by a better margin. Last time he won by close to 34,000 margin. He says that time he was doing his debut in politics, and this time is a well-known face. So this time, of course, the voting margin will also be better.